Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Starlink not no good internet connection. If your Starlink Wi-Fi is connected but there is no internet, follow the steps in order. Open the Starlink app on your phone. Look at the status message. If it says offline, disconnected, searching, obstruction, this message helps to identify the problem. After that, unplug the router from the power. Wait 1 full minute, plug it back in and wait 5 minutes for it to reconnect. This fixes many no internet issues. Go outside and look at the Starlink dish. Make sure it has a clear view of the sky. Remove trees, snow or object blocking it. Check the cable from the dish to the router. Make sure it is firmly plugged in on the both ends. A loose or damaged cable can cause no internet access. On your phone or device, go to Wi-Fi setting, tap on Starlink network, select forget this network, reconnect and enter the password again. You can also reset or restart your phone, computer or TV. Then reconnect to the Starlink Wi-Fi. If there is still no internet, unplug and plug the router 6 times quickly. This reset Wi-Fi setting, so you will need to set it up again. If nothing works, connect to Starlink support through the app. This may be a service outage or hardware issue. And that's it. That's all for today's video guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you next one.